A lot of firsts for Francesco Molinari, including his first World Golf Championships title. The Italian goes wire to wire for his first win of the season.
Settle in as we rewind the week with the latest edition of Monday Backspin from PGAtour.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Casey Black. Francesco Molinari had a one-shot lead heading into the final round. As a matter of fact, he had a one-shot lead over Lee Westwood ever since the opening round. But in the end, Molinari was able to hold off Westwood to win by one en route to victory at the World Golf Championships HSBC Champions. With his final round 5 under 67, Molinari won for the first time since winning the Omega Mission Hills World Cup with his brother Eduardo.
I was calm and I knew I was playing well, I was putting well. I knew that it was going to be really tough because, we all know how Lee plays. So I just tried to stay calm and play shot by shot, and luckily the plan worked today.
All week, Molinari had a fierce competitor nipping at his heels. Current world number one, who took the title from Tiger last week, a position he held for 281 weeks, never let up on Molinari. Westwood finished just a single stroke behind Francesco, but it was enough to retain the title of world number one. Westwood's last runner-up finish was the British Open at St Andrews in Scotland back in July. In the field last week, there were 3 players who could have taken the top spot from Westwood, and that includes this man, Tiger Woods, who made 5 birdies on his inward 9 holes Sunday to shoot a 4 under 68, ultimately finishing at 7 under par, tied for 6th, just his 3rd top 10 of the season. It wasn't enough, though, to reclaim the number 1 spot in the World Golf Rankings. This is the first time in 15 years that Tiger Woods has gone a PGA Tour season without a win. Phil Mickelson, another player who yet again had an opportunity to take over the number 1 spot, with a 76 and a 73 on the weekend, however, Phil finished at +1 for the tournament, tied for 41st. And Martin Kaymer, winner of the PGA Championship at Whistling Straits this year, also could have come out on top in the World Golf Rankings, but finishing at 2 under par, tied for 30th, it wasn't enough. And while those players have made a name for themselves and continue to do so, there were some other players in the field, while young, are already making an impression in the world of golf. No Sung Yul, who at the age of 17 claimed his first Asian Tour title in China, finished at 5 under par, tied for 16th. And PGA Tour rookies Rory McIlroy and Rickie Fowler continued to impress. McIlroy, who birdied his first 3 holes on Sunday, started the final round tied for 17th and finished in solo 5th. While Fowler ended up at 3 under par, tied for 25th, he's hoping to edge out McIlroy in the race for Rookie of the Year on the PGA Tour. Next stop on the PGA Tour, it's the Children's Miracle Network Classic at Walt Disney World. It's the end of the fall series, the final of 5 events, a last chance for those who are trying to crack the top 125 on the money list to do so in an effort to retain their PGA Tour cards for one more season. It's also the culmination of the Kodak Challenge with a $1 million prize. Right now, rookie Rickie Fowler is trailing Troy Merritt by just 1 stroke. You can watch the opening round coverage Thursday on Golf Channel starting at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And don't forget, for instant information right at your fingertips anytime, head to PGAtour.com.